Mr. Crispin here once again. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions about my 5-inch springbok, and no, that is not a euphemism. It is of course a reference to my steam locomotive. And to answer some of the questions, no, I haven't finished it, no, I haven't given up with it, and no, Jamie, I haven't been working on it in secret. But for anybody who's hoping to follow along and see the progress as it happens, I have some good news, which is that since it appeared in Machining Cylinders Part 8, it hasn't progressed one iota, so no detail missed out. Now I'm hoping to get going with it again next year, and I'm going to be releasing Machining Cylinders Part 9 in January, and from then I'll be kicking off Loco machining again. The Loco components and videos are quite time consuming, but I'll probably do the odd other engineering video in between to fill things up a bit. Now for anybody new, I'm going to do a few close-ups to show a few details and explain exactly where I've got to as it stands. So we have a front buffer beam, 2 buffers, we have the cylinder blocks complete, piston valve liner and main bore liner in cast iron. We have front and rear cylinder covers. We have axle boxes and axles ×3. Have various suspension arrangements finished, rear buffer beam, horn blocks done and riveted on, and all the stretchers. Now most of these components can actually be found in videos that I've already done. Everything in fact, with the exception of some of these stretchers. But I know people like seeing the progress, so I'm going to try and do everything on camera going forward. There's at least a few years worth of work in this yet, so anyone that likes Loco videos should have plenty to go at. So that's where I'm up to, and hopefully that answers the questions. I am grateful for the comments, and I do read through them, so thank you for anyone who's interested in progress. Between now and when this comes out, I do have quite a few other videos lined up, so don't be put off if you don't see any Loco stuff just yet. But other than that, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.